Okay, so on today's video, we're going to show how to take off your front bumper on a G37 Coupe. Basically, they are the same for G37 sedan, G35s. They're all very, very similar. So if you're watching this video and you have a sedan, this will still work for you. All right, guys, so first things first on the bumper removal. Go over here, open up your hood. Hopefully yours doesn't sound like that. So we're going to open the hood up and we'll get our panel popper, go through here, pop those off. And then what I like to do is I like to pull these covers off first. So this is a clip right there. Pop that off like that. And there's another one kind of hidden right there. That pops out like that. So just kind of move that out of your way. Just kind of tuck that behind the throttle body. And we'll go to the other side. All the clips are off right here. This one's already broken, but that one popped off like that. And just kind of tuck it behind the throttle body. Stays out of your way. And then I'm going to work on the bottom of it. Grab a 10 mil. And just go around the perimeter right here. And take all these off. Alright, so those are all off on the bottom. Then we're going to go under the wheel well. And to get to the wheel well, so there's a clip right here, kind of close to the outside. Pop that out like that. And then that's going to kind of give you some access to get under here, like that. Like that. And then there's going to be a 10 mil right here that comes out. And then that will just pop freely like that. So when you do that, the bumper might loosen up a tad. Then we'll go over to this side right here. So both sides are out like that. Okay, so right here where the end of the socket is, there's normally a 10 mil right there. So to get to it, you're gonna have, that's why we removed the side of the cover right here, is to access under there. This one, it doesn't have it on there, but normally there's a 10 mil right there. And you can just pop that out like that a little bit, it'll loosen up, and then you're gonna go to this one right here and take this off. There's going to be a little bracket that comes with it. And then finally right here, same thing for this side. There's 3 10s, one under the fender, one on the corner, and then one right here. And once you have that, the bumper is ready to come off. Don't pull too hard, because if you pull too hard, there's fog lights in here. And the fog lights will get pulled out of the connector. So just hold it like this, and you're gonna see access right here to get to the clip. So just pop that clip off like that, and I'll show you how to do it on this side. So yeah, make sure that the wire doesn't have a bunch of tension on it. And to get this clip off, it's really simple. You don't need any tools. Just put your thumb right under that and pop it off like that. And that is how you remove a front bumper on a G37 Coupe.